Oh my goodness, look at this. Everything is just so freaking muddy. Stupid weather. It needs to make up its mind. What is up, guys? I've actually been out fishing for the last couple hours and I got completely freaking skunked. Doesn't happen often to me, but it happens. Tried to do a little bit of catfishing. I didn't have the right bait, but I went anyway. It's miserably cold. Got like one little bite and that was it. And I got completely freaking skunked. So I wasn't gonna do a video today, but then I pull up to my apartment and I check the mail and this guy's waiting for me. So I'm pretty stoked about that. But yeah, I'm gonna get all my gear out of the car and go inside and let's see what's inside this thing. So like I was saying, I went fishing for probably 3-4 hours, didn't catch a damn thing, but showed up, this was in the mail. This channel is actually gonna be working directly with Mystery Tackle Box from now on. I'm gonna be getting a little promo code soon, and I don't have it yet, but once I do have it, I'll update that in the description. But for now, I'm just gonna open this thing up and see what's in here. This is my first Mystery Tackle Box. Haven't even looked in here yet, so I got no idea what's in here. So I guess because they have that store now, Carl's Bait and Tackle, I guess you can actually add some stuff that you want to your next box. So if you want to add some extra lures and stuff, you can do it. So that's pretty cool. Let's see what we got in here. Looks like we got a little football jig, rear loader swing jig by Hard Hat Jigs. Never heard of them, but I could definitely put that to use. We got some crankbaits in here. What is this guy? This is actually from Carl's Bait and Tackle. I didn't even realize they had their own stuff. Pretty cool. Oh, shallow crankbait. 0 to 3 feet it says. It's interesting. A little square bill Lucky Craft. That'd be a good little river crank. Got another square bill. This one is by Max Lure. You get a bunch of stuff in here. Let's see. A little blade bait. Would have been a good little ice fishing bait there. And we got some Vile Bug from Biospawn. Heard of Biospawn. I've never used any of their stuff. White's not my favorite color, but it should still work. And there's a little sticker. I don't know who this is from, but that's kind of cool, I guess. All right, I'm gonna head outside where the lighting's better and my apartment's super messy, so I don't want to show everybody my apartment right now. Yeah, so after getting skunked, that was a pretty nice surprise to come home to my first ever Mystery Tackle Box. I can definitely use everything that's in that, so that's pretty freaking sweet. I'm gonna put a link in the description to Mystery Tackle Box or Carl's Bait and Tackle so you guys can check it out. Like I said, I don't have my promo code yet, but I should be getting one in the next couple weeks, so when I do, I will update it in this video. I'm gonna be getting a box every single month, so that's gonna be exciting. Get to see all the new baits, get to see, you know, some baits from companies that I haven't even heard of yet. There's a couple in there I haven't heard of yet, but they all look like good baits, so that's pretty sweet. I'm just so ready for this weather to stabilize, and like it just can't even make up its mind. Like one day it's cold, next day it's warm. It's got everything all screwed up. Everything's a mud pit. We've had mudslides all over the place. All the roads are all chewed up, potholes. I've had to change my tires. Just a pain in the ass. And honestly, you know, the ice fishing stuff was awesome. And if I still had safe ice, I'd still be ice fishing. But because I don't have any safe ice, but it's still miserably cold most of the time, I'm just ready for spring. I'm ready for the temps to warm up a little bit. I'm ready to start getting on some pre-spawn patterns. Looks like the next couple weeks it's finally going to stabilize and the weather's going to start to warm up a little bit. I just can't wait. I'm tired of freaking layering up. I'm tired of winter. Winter needs to be done with. But yeah, I know this video wasn't crazy exciting or anything. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos with the Mystery Tackle Boxes, but the videos from here on out are all going to be like challenges where I'm taking the box out and fishing with it and trying to catch fish on just items from the box. So definitely going to be a little more exciting in this video, but like I said, today just freaking sucked. And when I pulled up and saw that it had came, figured, why not? I might as well try to make a video. I don't do a lot of unboxing videos on this channel. As a matter of fact, I think this might be the second unboxing video that I've ever done, ever. But if you do like these kind of videos, if you like unboxing videos, comment below. Let me know. I'll do some more, or I'll throw them in amongst other, other content. But if you haven't already, please smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.